Hi everyone, my name is Zach Bohn, and welcome to my course, Managing Data in Salesforce. I'm a Salesforce business analyst from Chicago, Illinois, with years of experience in Salesforce administration, data analytics, and data reporting. I'm excited to share this important content with you as you grow in your journey as a Salesforce professional. In many cases, an organization's data can truly be its most valuable resource. For anyone who's interested in growing their data management skills, this course offers various lessons to help you explore the most relevant topics of data management in the world today. Throughout this course, we'll perform interactive scenarios that allow you to follow along with me and gain hands-on experience with some of the most powerful and most commonly used Salesforce applications. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include detailed steps for utilizing the Salesforce data loader, data validation while performing mass imports, performing exports to back up your organization's data, and reinforcing data quality all throughout your Salesforce platform. By the end of this course, you'll know how to install and utilize popular applications, how to customize Salesforce objects to reinforce data quality, how to prevent the creation of duplicate records in your Salesforce org, and much more. Before beginning my course, you should be familiar with navigating objects in Salesforce, and with performing some basic administrative functions in the Salesforce Setup portal. I hope that you'll join me on this journey to learn practical applications of important data management concepts with the Managing Data in Salesforce course at Pluralsight.